first we need to do a magic ring. One chain, and I'm going to do 5 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3 loops, yarn over, 1, 2, 3 loops, so 2 double crochet, 3 half double crochet, 4, 5. Now I'm going to tighten the ring, and I'm going to do a slip knot from the first chain. So this is the first chain, this is a chain 1. We are not doing the slip knot in the chain 1. This is the first chain. Slip chain. Okay, now I'm going to do chain 4. Okay, now we have 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 petal in 1 chain, that's how I'm going to do. So now chain 4, I'm going to 2 triple crochet in the same chain. So this is our first chain, so we are going to 2 triple crochet, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. 1 more triple crochet in the same chain, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. Now we are going to do chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to finish the first petal. So I'm going to use the same chain to do the slip stitch. So this is 1 petal. So let's do chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to do the 2 triple crochet, but we are going to use the next chain now. So this is chain 2. So this is 2 triple crochet. So this is 1 triple crochet. Say, using the same space, we are going to do the second triple crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Use the same space to do the slip knot, slip stitch. Okay. So now we have done 2 petals. Now we got 1, 2, 3 chains. So go ahead and do the same for the next 3 chains, so you will get 5 petals. I'll do going to finish off. Put a knot in the back so it will be tightened. Put 1 more knot. That's it. So I did 1 forget-me-not flower. I'm going to show you how I did this inside of the yellow. Okay, holding like this, hold it. There is no right or wrong here. You can pull the yarn from the back to front and put a slip stitch, and pull the yarn from the back to front and a slip stitch. And do the same. Finish off. Going to pull this yarn over in the back, put a knot to secure the stitch. Now I'm going to show you how I made the flower buds. To do this flower bud, we just need a green color yarn, acrylic yarn, and pink color. The same color we are going to use for this flower. Magic ring. Chains. I'm going to do 8 double crochet. Slip stitch in the first chain, chain 2, triple crochet in the first chain, I'm going to double crochet in the next chain, then another double crochet in the chain after, slip stitch.